All right, friends, today was supposed to be our field trip to Cave of the Mountains and our state capital. Sadly, we can't be there today. However, we can take our field trip and do it virtually. So how fun is that going to be for our last day of school? This is completely optional. It's to have fun, to enjoy our field trip the best way we can. On this slide and this video is all about our state capital. The next one will be all about the Cave of the Mountains. So let's head to Madison and enjoy our Wisconsin state capital. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this link, okay? It should take you to the virtual tour. You're going to see these virtual glasses, okay? So it says, welcome to the State of Wisconsin virtual reality tour. You are accessing this on your desktop or anywhere. When you click on anything, you see this little hand, okay, that will move. This little circle has to be on wherever you want to go. And these little virtual reality glasses, if you click on it, will just take it to the full screen, okay? So if you kind of click and scroll down here, you're in the rotunda, okay? So you can move your cursor up and down, okay? And anytime you see this plus sign, gives you some information. So you're going to click on the plus sign. Oh, my circle has to be on it. Okay, your circle has to be on whatever you want to click. So once it's blue, you're good. And you're going to read all about it. Okay, then you can have that circle, click off, and go to another plus sign and learn more information. But to do that, remember, you always have to have that blue circle on whatever you want to click on. If it's white, it's not going to click on anything. If your circle is blue, it'll click on something. Okay, so you'll learn all about the rotunda. Then you're going to come down here, and you're going to find the menu. Okay, again, make sure your circle is blue. Click on it. This will take you to a screen of 9 places you can go. You can go to all 9. You can go to as many as you want. Okay, some places we do go on our tour. Usually we go to the governor's office unless they're in session. Sometimes we go to the Senate chamber. I've never been to we go to the Supreme Court. The lantern I don't think we go to. The rotunda. So you can choose. So for example, I don't know what the lantern is, so I want to go there. So I'm going to get my blue circle on lantern and click on it. Oh, and here we are. Look how cool this is. So I'm going to look for any plus signs. Okay, there doesn't seem to be any, which is okay. But look at that view of Madison. How cool. Okay, once you're ready to go back to the menu, you just get that blue circle on that menu, and it takes you right back. Okay, so this is the virtual tour that you can take of our state capital. Remember, your blue circle needs to be on whatever you need that you want to go, wherever you want to go to. If your circle is white, like it is right here, it's not going to click on anything. Okay. All right, to get back to, let's say you don't want to go to have it be full screen, you can click the ESC on your keyboard, and these virtual reality glasses will take you back to full screen. If you need any help, make sure your circle is on this help option, and I'll show you what to do. Click on it. It will kind of take you back to the how to use this menu that you can read. All right, have fun. Enjoy the state capital.